Parehas ata.
Ano ba?
Oo.
Wala nga.
Na-checkan ko lahat eh.
Baka mamaya kasi malag eh.
Mid taser, mid.
Mid ka? Kami, mid ka pala eh.
Tira mo, check mo yung ping. Ilan ping?
Baba lang to ngayon. 36 lang ping ko. Baba lang.
Oh man, Rick, there's only 10 seconds left to pick a hero. You better pick
Tay
your
tayo
hero.
dyan.
5 seconds.
Do you roll ha?
Ano?
Do you roll? Do you roll daw? Do you roll? Sabay keep support?
Kang hero. Mga magandang hero.
Rubik 1. Maganda ata Rubik. Malakas yan. Kaya mo ba yan, 1? Rubik?
Hindi ako sanay mag-Rubik pa eh. Hindi ko pa napapractice yan eh. Ito na lang.
Dalaw. Mang Kepweng.
H-Doctor. H-Doctor.
Malakas din niya si Mang Kepweng. Ang daing offlane kaya. Para may save sa Reaper.
Hindi ano na lang. Ano?
Patay!
Boom lang kayo mo!
GG yun.
Baliw. Baliw. Ay, naka. Reported.
Natay tayo dito. Tatlo magpa-farm.
Oo.
Yung Kyop magpa-farm din yan eh. Ano ba yan, par? Kamalasan naman agad ah. Last pick pa, AM lang pala pipick.
Tingnan mo yung Witch Doctor ko, 6-4-28, mukhang magkakatalo ah. Tangin lang.
Say tayo dyan, par.
Tip ko nga yan.
Report
Abnormal
dyan,
eh.
report.
What is this?
Report talaga yan.
Game of some sort?
Ay, may obs na ako, 1. Wait lang, tanim ko lang.
In the bag! Very
Why
well.
aren't they doing anything? They're just standing
Naka-
around. Relax, Morty.
My move. Here I am. Exactly so.
Normal ang puta.
Ano, obs ah.
Commendable notion.
Wait lang, kunin yung sentry.
We are in accord.
Ay, bobo, mali. Hindi pala yan, 1.
I venture
Kaya naman
forth
yan, pareho.
Dalawa pala binigay mo. Ay, isa.
Sentry, tsaka
with
obs.
alacrity.
Hindi, dalawang sentry.
Huwag na tayo pumatay. Baba na ako.
Wala, di mapatay, AM. Tayong yan.
Andito yung Ogre, nandito yung Ogre.
Absolutely.
Kunin niyo top. Take top.
Morty, I'm
Take
getting
top.
ready for the game to start in 30 seconds.
Indeed.
Saan to?
I'm scared.
Get top, get top.
I go at will.
Tanga ang puta.
We are in accord. Indeed.
Ganda ng cute niya, oh. Arcana. Ganyan gusto ko, eh. Kaya lang, hindi nabibili. Wala na
Patay siya,
sa...
gago. Yun,
Who's
buti
that
na lang,
blowing the
meron
horn?
siyang ano.
Can somebody stop blowing that
Just so.
horn?
Ah, gambits
You
and
know, ano?
exploits away.
Easy gold.
Nice
My
one.
move. I proceed. Commendable.
Let's
Nakapatay tayo.
Huh? I venture forth.
Aray, na-deny.
I go at will. Exactly so.
Bobo ang puta.
Absolutely. With alacrity. They shall regret this.
Si Jokerker ah.
Fair game.
Ako ako magsisa.
Commendable notion. I accept.
Ito na lang.
Very well. I'm out.
First blood.
First blood, baby boy.
That make a
They
big mess.
deserve no less.
Bobo ka ba?
We are in accord.
Yun, nakasihis din.
After them. Just so. Exactly so.
Meron siyang ano.
Absolutely. Ah! Don't run. Indeed. I proceed. With alacrity.
I pull.
Prize. Attack! Ah! I go at will. My move.
Bottom
Wala ah.
I venture forth.
Sige, sino yung support niyo dyan?
Not.
Ogre.
I'm under attack. My turn.
Hindi ka naabot, boy. Ako na yan.
Commendable notion. Not yet. I go at will. Absolutely.
Normal ka ba?
Stay and exactly so. My move. I venture forth. For me! We are... Very well. With I'm out.
Namatay tuloy
I
ako.
proceed.
Tinutuldukan ka niya na.
Indeed.
Man, you might as well
Gusto niya
save
kasi
that
kunin yung
energy,
crit shot eh.
because
Abnormal, di nga
Radiant
siya
just
aabot eh.
fortified their
In
structures.
Iiwi siya tuloy.
No, no. Just so. I have much to impart. Commendable no. The vessel proves useful.
Walang second spell to si ano.
I venture forth.
Sino?
Fish.
Oo.
Destruction.
Meron siyang ano eh, first skill eh. Yung ano, sa lupa.
How fitting. Exactly so.
Warde dito ah.
Indeed. My move. Bye-bye. Just so. Absolutely.
Patay na yan, boy. Napuputok boy pa yata. Lalim. Bogo kang
They deserve
puta.
no less. I proceed.
You gotta get serious.
are
Top
in
tower's under
accord.
attack.
Nagkalat yan, sir.
Very well.
Tanga eh.
Puck out! I am under attack! In pursuit! With alacrity.
Tanginan to, dinedinayan ako
I
ah.
go at will. Exactly so. Very nice.
Bago niya magabang
They shall regret this.
Arcane na.
Very well.
Swerte si Tanga. Doon lumabas.
Don't run. My My puck out. I go at will. I have much to impart.
Pak na. O, tangin na mo ha. Sakit, di ba?
I venture forth.
Dalawa nga dito, sir. Kaya mo ba?
Okay, pwede. Kaya lang wala akong mahal na konti. Kuha bounty ron.
Just so. Commendable notion.
Walang bounty ron
Suntukan
dito.
ako eh.
Par.
Wala ogre, ha?
I proceed.
Wala ogre. Sakit, tayo na yun.
Absolutely.
Kinuha siguro ni Ogre bounty ko, bad trip.
Baka nga. Wala eh.
With
Gusto mo yan na lang, patayin natin.
Kaya lang may absata dito eh.
We are in accord.
So, mamatay na pag namalidik
Indeed.
si Kyop. Kasi ano.
Don't mind me. Absolutely.
Isa pa, ha? Patay.
More death.
Exactly so.
Inorso kayo rin natin, par.
Suma ako. Tanga. Bobo yan.
Very well.
8 minute pag nakuking ron. Si Ogre, oh, din oh.
Just so. We are in accord.
Nag-TP ah. TP.
Oo nga. Ito nga na.
Indeed. I go at will.
Diyan, nandyan.
With a I may
Pero
require
ulo yan ah.
at some point.
Patay to, may lason yan.
Attack!
Ay, gago, puputok yung lason mo, be. Patayan, be, may lason yan. Nice.
I venture forth.
Nakapatay siya eh.
Kaya nga eh. Patay yata, ikaw din. Nice one.
I proceed.
Ingat lang, ha. Patay.
Ah.
Nice one.
You took that jeep
Nice
to
one.
Dito daddy yan, par. Dito daddy.
after them.
Nice
Buti
one.
naka-add yung ano ko. Mabot.
My move. Commendable notion. The vessel, a prize. I proceed.
Walang TP yun. Ay, may TP na siguro yun ngayon. Wala kasi siyang second spell eh, yung masakit.
Commendable notion.
Si ano, Lesh.
Alin yun?
Yung ano, eh,
Wala, ah.
Fair game.
second spell.
Absolutely.
Wala.
We are in accord.
Wala.
Sige lang.
Wala ogre.
Stay and amuse
Dito na
me.
si Necro. Ay, si Necro.
Oh, akala ko nandyan eh. Uy, yung ginagawa nun.
Destroy.
Si Lesh.
Sumakay ng creeps. Papatay yata kami.
Ito si Ogre, oh. Nag-word.
I venture forth. Very well.
Haha, di ba?
Dito, ah.
Siya. Sige lang. Solo lang yan
I
dyan.
go at will.
Oo nga, wala. Asan yung ano?
Si Ogre, dito.
Life
Sa
stealer.
mid.
They
Life stealer.
deserve no less.
Ewan ko. Padogi-dogi ah.
Ayun, saan? Normal yata yun eh.
I raise behold.
Top run, please. Top run. Nice one.
My prize.
Kuha lang kung anong bounty
Exactly so.
sila.
I have time in abundance.
Kasi Sven Tagalog, oh.
Stay near.
First na slow.
Illusion.
A dominant performance.
Short-lived creatures.
Sven Tagalog yarn.
Spin Tagalog.
With
Sayang, di ko
Ano,
nadampot.
Talo ka, sir.
Just so.
May TP ako. Wait lang.
Ay, gago, nandito
Wala
yung
pa
Leshrac.
yung Witchblade ko eh.
I
Pag
Dito
venture
Leshrac,
forth.
sir.
Sige, pagdating ng Witchblade ko, nasa courier.
May patigas naman
Your
kami.
bottom tower's
You
under
are
attack.
owning or pulling or something.
Dito, sir.
Man, what?
Dito yung ano ah. Wala pa akong SS ah.
Just fortified their structures.
Ano, sir? Kaya?
Kaya lang. Wala akong mana eh. Si Sven Tagalog,
Dito
dito.
is din.
I'm under attack.
Wala na, bibigay na namin to.
Destroy.
Tatlo to eh.
Sige, bigay niyo na.
Oh, your bottom tower's
Patayin ko
under
si Sven
attack.
Tagalog, par.
Mega kill.
Preserve
Own it.
a
Tay kay carry para.
You might want to kiss your bottom tower goodbye.
Nagsod, nagsod, nagsod.
Sige,
Absolutely.
pangat dito.
Nagsod, wala na. Binaro ko ng
We
pinatay ko
are
yung sod.
in
Pinatay ko yung sod.
accord, so.
Tinanggal ko.
Here I am.
Natay ko to eh.
Kaya na. Wait lang.
Very well. Greetings. Indeed. Here I am. It's not time yet.
Ay, makol ko to, Wan. Pag umasim.
Oo.
Kakahata rin
Sige.
eh.
Ayan. Tara.
Go at will.
Tara, tara, tara.
Oh, jeez,
Sa
middle tower's
bottom.
under
Ito,
attack.
to.
Dun.
Commendable
Hindi, ito.
action.
Taiga, sayang. Ito na,
Tara,
nalaban.
Pwede pa.
Sige. Ayun, no, ito na, ogre. Ogre, sir, nandito.
Gather round.
Ayun na.
Patay.
Pasa loob.
Murder going on.
Pasa loob.
What exactly you now owe, I have no idea.
I proceed.
Word siguro dito. Wala.
Sayang.
They
Ako tuloy.
shall regret this.
Ay, andun yung word
Exactly
mo.
so.
Pagsuntukan dyan.
Just so.
May dalawa naman carry pala natin par. Si AM. Fury
Oo nga,
na.
dalawa nga.
With alacrity.
Yuri na?
Fury na par.
Oo nga, no. Bilis ah.
My move.
Pero cancer pa rin yun eh. Fancy.
I go at will.
Basagin ko na to par.
Bago ka, ma-reaper ka dyan. Ito ka nga, bobo.
The enemy's middle tower's gone. Serves them right.
Clear pa isang wave. Padagger na ako eh.
I venture forth.
Konting
Oh,
kembot
patay
na
natin
lang.
to, sir. Sayang to.
Very well.
Patay ka na, Lesh.
Forward.
Laban tayo, sir.
Behold.
Ano yun?
Maano mo?
Here.
Pakal ko
Ata, uli yata. Nahuli.
Alacrity.
Hindi yata, sir.
Ah,
Ito to.
I am under attack.
Nice one.
A quantity of murder
galing magtago-taguan ah.
and wicked.
Your tower's under attack.
Fine, yes. Fair game. Greetings.
Basag, basag.
My move.
Kailangan ko rin.
Okay. Ano, XP, XP?
Very well.
Middle tower. You might want to look at it. The middle tower's under attack.
Exactly so. We are in accord. Just so. My turn.
Nakuha ba? Hindi nakuha.
Nakuha ni Kep. Nakuha ni Kep.
Indeed.
Ang alin?
As I go.
Putang ina, meron yatang hero dito.
Yung XP.
Absolutely.
Sabi na eh. Putang ina, nagkiklib sa akin.
I
Hindi nakuha.
Di ba nakuha ni Kep? Ay, ni ano?
Hindi. Hindi. Ito, kukunin ko pa lang.
Gather round. Here I am.
Layo ko dyan, sir.
Okay, patay na to.
Monster kill.
I go at will.
Hindi siya nakasakay.
A double slaughter.
Wala wala ah.
Exactly so.
Layo ko. Wala akong titipihan eh.
Okay, ako lang. Boy ako dito.
Welcome transformation. I venture forth.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. 40, bottom
Just
tower under
so.
attack.
Ay, gusto mo patay natin yan dyan, Juan.
Carry
Yan.
Ah, pwede. Wala akong stun ah. May SS ka?
We are in
Wala,
accord.
nag-curl na ako dun eh. Pero nakadagger ako.
With alacrity.
To, sir. Nandito.
Start nyo na.
Ay, sayang. Puta. Ah, sige. Abot na.
My move. Behold. Indeed.
Ay, marireaper
Patay
ako.
yata ako.
Ako, reaper.
Absolutely.
Back na. Puta, patay tayo. Tatlo? Tatlo patay?
In pursuit.
Back na, sir.
Na ako dyan.
Very well.
Mid.
Not yet.
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
Commendable notion.
Radiant just
Di
fortified
tayo
their
makabasag.
structures. You know what I'm talking about?
Wala eh.
With alacrity.
Sira ulo to.
Jeez,
TP
middle
mo nga
tower
to,
under attack.
Sige. SS mo.
Patay na ata sa akin, par.
Patay, patay, patay.
Just an ego thing at this point, isn't it?
What ingratitude. We are in
Kaya yung
accord.
mobs niya.
Isa.
Very well.
Ano yan?
Sir, lapit ka.
My
Yan.
gratitude.
Heal kita eh.
Kabuti, par.
Kabuti, kabuti.
Yun o, Regen pala dito.
I
Tara,
Sakto,
mas.
Regen. Tara.
Sagin natin to.
Top kaya tayo. Saan ba tayo babasag? Anak ng teting kayo.
I proceed.
Wala eh, jungle kasi sila eh.
Puro farm kasi eh.
Commendable notion. I accept.
Take.
May SS ako ah.
Indeed. Just so.
Ba't walang parang
Ito, nag-madness, oh.
Shit! Layo ko!
Tama lang, Juan.
I move.
Wala, layo ko, sir!
Okay, sige.
Mamamatay ako dyan. Radiance na yan, ha?
I venture forth.
Silence ko.
Patay ako. Okay lang, patay dalawa.
Ito si Sven Tagalog. Oh,
Ismin, no? Ano go? Oh, patay ka dyan, sir. Patay ka
Ay,
dyan.
ang dami, par.
Get out. Ay! Patay ka, matangin.
What the fuck?
Ah, sila yung stealer. Huwag na, back na kayo. Anak ng teteng. Hirap naman makabasag. Putang inang puro farm kasi.
Tank mid carry at the same time, par. So, yung sino nakakuha sa akin, mahal ako eh. Ay, si Sven Tagalog pa nakakuha, oh.
Ben Tagalog.
Patay tayo dyan.
Ito, farm lang. Farm lang si Tanga, oh. Hindi, kaya natin yan.
Magkakadagger si Sven Tagalog, par. Ba't bagal niya pumalo?
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack. Come on, get with
I
it.
proceed.
Dumb enemy
Hindi,
denied their top tower.
Silence. Don't run.
High spot.
Go at will. May you ride on nether
Ay, ano
zephyrs
siya, oh, Glimmer.
with alacrity.
Glimmer na siya.
Oo.
Okay, bili akong das.
Absolutely. Exactly
To.
so.
To. Tai ka, sir. Layo
kill ko
ko.
to.
SS.
Ito, kill ko.
Wala akong ano. Wala pa akong das.
Sige lang, mabibreak na siya.
I am under attack.
Saan na yun?
Nawala.
Commendable notion.
Putang ina,
Uy,
wala
si
akong
Sven
das eh.
Tagalog. Si Sven Tagalog. Okay, okay lang.
Tara. Gusto mo ba?
We are in
Wait lang, buhayin ko na.
accord.
Tara.
Buhayin ko na. Lalabas na ron eh. Buhayin ko lang to. Dalawang wave na lang to eh.
Just so. Behold,
Pwede tayo magsod eh.
I venture forth.
After ng ano ko, Parasma.
Sige, parasma. Ito, ano, ilo, sir, ilo.
I make
Ay!
Okay, buhay ako. Ulit nyo ah.
Patay ka, animal.
illusion. Absolutely. Silence.
Piling ako das.
Basag tayo baba. May das ako, sir. Basag tayo baba.
Sa akin na nga lang, Juan. Bigay mo sa akin, Juan.
I venture forth.
Nag-SS ka ba? May SS ka? Tara, pwede tayo pumatay eh.
Meron.
Commendable
Wala akong
notion.
SS ah.
I go at will. Indeed. Look out!
Radiance na ba to? Putang ina, puro pang farm ng item nila. Hayop ah.
Looks like dire structures are fortified.
Uy, saan punta?
Silence. Gather round.
Ano, di ka lalabas? Help!
Shit.
Ay! Tangingat ko dun ah.
Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is destroyed. Hooray!
Ay, gago ka, ha? Sige nga. Tartado yan, ha?
Number 1.
Ang sakit, putang ina.
Atay
Patay sa lason.
Kill.
Namatay, sayang. Kasi, puta, trabaho yung AM, ha? Hindi mo kaya yan, boy. Baka na dyan. Lakas yung SS, sir, eh.
Kaya nga, doon pala.
Parang kailangan. Ether lens siguro kailangan ko. Para hindi ako makaano sa... Ay, hindi.
Hintayin ko nga sila
Hindi ko
mag-start.
kailangan item, eh. BKB, kailangan ko rin BKB.
Tadas mo ano,
Another
Balik
balik ka na.
XP.
formation.
Na, meron na ako. Lagay mo dyan muna.
Motion.
Meron ako, meron ako.
Bali naman ako, eh. Sige.
Very well.
Saan mo nilagay?
Binigay ko sa'yo.
Sa base?
Sa'yo.
Ako nga, no? Sa akin yun.
The vessel
Parang kailangan kong BKB. Wait na, magwa-wards ako. Tara, gather smoke daw, sir. Smoke. May SS ako. Uy, puta, lalaban na. Ayan na, pumasok ka. Nainis. Sir, may stun ka.
Hindi laban na pag na-stun ako.
Stay near. Huh?
Obo, naka-shield rin ako.
Ay, putang
Aray,
ina mo,
aray.
nandun yung Sven. Nakadagger na.
Patay kayo lahat par.
My move.
Sakit. Aray ko.
We are in accord.
Dagger na, sir, ha. Nakadagger na yung Sven.
Exactly
Okay.
so.
Uy! Kita ko nun?
With alacrity.
Ewan ko.
Mga
Baka may
ganun
wards dyan.
Katakot ka, Sven ha.
I go at will.
Sven Tagalog. Tangina, farm sila, oh. Trabaho yung mga tanga, oh.
Silence.
Baka warded, sir.
Hold.
Hindi ko alam. Biglang nagdalagar eh.
Ay,
No?
sarap, oh.
Not yet. Exactly so. Here I am. I'm out.
Wards lang ako.
Indeed. Silence. With alacrity. I go at will.
Trabaho to, sir. Matagal-tagal na laban to.
I venture forth. Patience, my prize.
May shard na pala yung Cube, eh.
Okta rin sana ako. Maobliga ako mag-BKB.
You gotta get serious!
BKB ka
Top
talaga.
tower's under attack!
Makokontrol ka, sir. Dahil stun yan, no? May kalawit pa.
What the dog
Kaya nga eh.
BKB ka, sir.
We
Kailangan
are
mo yun.
in accord.
Farm lang, kaya natin yan. Tangina, dalawa ba namang core natin?
Very well.
Napatay kasi yun ni Sven. 1,000 par.
Spin Tagalog yan.
instant
Oy, puta, nag-wards, oh. Nag-wards, ha?
Oo.
Ano to, putang ina to, baka nandito to, eh. Oh, di ba nandito? Putang ina na di wards. Packer.
Behold! Silence. I venture forth.
Ang ina kasi hindi ako makakabuelo. Unahin ako niyan, eh.
Exactly so. We are in accord.
Gusto nyo sod?
Silence. Look out.
Ayoko
Tala,
man.
nagsod na.
BKB lang ako.
Ayaw niya.
Absolutely.
Sige,
Laban ba yan? Okay,
Wag,
kayo-
wag.
Kayo mag-start. Pwede naman ako eh.
I proceed.
Basta kayo mag-start ng team fight.
Invisibility.
Hindi ko pwede
Baba
gangster rin.
level. Talaga.
Very well.
Oo.
Stay near.
Uy!
Sana
Sigaw!
si AM?
Nice, pan. Okay lang. Ayun na.
Si Sven ha, baka mag-dagger rin.
Commendable notion.
Okay. May burst naman tayo, eh.
I have silence.
PKB lang kayo, sir. Mamaya tayo lumaban. Ito ba? Pa-BKB na ba to?
Just so.
Aman, pa-BKB na to. Sige, bawards lang ko kay lahat.
Buhay ron.
Tangin na
Lagay ka
yan.
nga sa run 1, Obs.
Wait, papunta pa lang yung bird
I
ko eh.
go at will. I may require this at some point.
Baka may hero dyan, sir ah.
Very well.
Ano to?
I venture forth.
Sir, lalim yan, sir.
Bobo na itong AM. Inagawan ako, par.
Absolutely. With alacrity. Here I am.
Nandito sa akin! Ang dami, putang ina. Ang dami!
Out.
Ang dami! Out na, out na! Ang dami, walang hiya!
Attack!
Ay, siya, na, sir.
We are in
Wala, di ako
accord.
makalaban dyan, par.
Yun, buti naman, nakapag ano siya. Back na, back na!
Exact.
Buti nakapag ano siya. Yung third skill, tumama yung stun sa Isben.
Just so.
Bobo kasi ni AM. Inagawan ako. Bakit BKB na sana?
I proceed.
Pwede ako mag-gate kung lalaban kayo.
Don't run.
Wag. BKB na kayo. Tagal nyo na nag-farm eh.
Buo na ako, buo na.
Just so.
Ayan na! Dito na, sir.
With
Layo na
alacrity.
lalakbayin ka, par.
Behold.
Hindi pa ako, kahit nyo lang, ah.
Regeneration.
Kahit.
Kite, sir.
Indeed. Silence. I venture forth.
Kaya, dyan na ako. On my way.
Exactly so.
Ay, no.
Behold. My move. Cut out.
Ow!
I am under
Sir, nasa akin!
Ah!
Quite a spree.
Hindi ako
Sakit,
naka-BKB. Fucking shit.
Patay. Ubos, sir. Ubos, sir.
You know, Rick, I gotta
Busin
tell
mo
you,
yan,
my
par.
bottom tower is looking pretty good. Bottom tower under attack.
Ang
Puta,
ingat kasi.
na-stun pa siya. Kaya ba? Wounds. Range.
Unstoppable. 4 innocent lives taken.
Tangina, hindi ako nakabitaw ng S.
Ginap ni
Inuuna ako.
AM. Hindi namatay yung ginap ni AM, par.
Oh, come on. The middle tower's under attack.
Nagmalib pa siya para sa akin, ah.
Nakamalip. Gago, abnormal. Abnormal yata yan eh.
Hindi mabasag yan.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
Yung basag to.
Man, you might as well save that energy because Radiant just fortified their structures. Your bottom tower's
Tangina mo.
under attack.
Hindi ako nakabitaw ng SS. Pinapalo kasi ako eh. Wala pa kasi silang BKB. Ba't nag-basher siya?
Oh, jeez, Rick, the top tower's getting hit.
Galit sa crits, oh. TP agad, oh.
What a mess.
Try.
I proceed. Ahead of the game. Cut out. Very well.
Oo, yung run, par.
Commendable notion.
Sir, nasa akin.
Go at will.
Yes ka lang.
Naka-haste.
After them. Silence. We are in accord.
Wicked sick.
Putang ina mo, sakit.
Monsters. All of you. 2 down.
Dagger ka. Eh, okay lang.
This ata.
Ooh, your middle tower's under
Huh?
attack.
Ayun, this.
Sige, tsaka ghost. Hindi, ghost scepter ako eh. Pangina, hex na, sir. Hex na.
Sina?
Yung Leshrac.
Very well.
Yun lang.
Kailangan mo yata sa Ray of
Your
this.
middle tower's under attack.
Ako yung nauulong. Sakit.
Oh, not good.
Hindi ako makapalo eh. Putang inang isbento eh.
Mobling ang A yung dispar. Patay si AM par. Wala na.
Boy, makakablink siya.
Sabog siya. Oh.
Blink!
With
Putang ina mo,
alacrity.
bobo. Ano sinasabi ko?
I have much to. I am under
Uy! Raulo. Sige, pili
Kaya
na lang
ba,
kayo
sir?
kung sino papatay ko.
Patay. Isben ha.
Ay! May dagger siya.
strange time to
Saan ka, sir?
hibernate.
May kakablink ka?
It is no
Aray, sumabog. Di na nakastick.
Morty, you're not gonna like this. The top tower is under attack.
May dagger pala siya. Akala ko hex lang.
Sheesh!
Hindi ko napansin yung dagger. Kabibili lang siguro niyan.
Kaya nga, nagulat ako na nag-dagger in.
Oh, jeez, your middle tower's under attack.
Di mo
Oh,
kaya
man,
yan.
your middle tower just got
Kaya mo ba
destroyed.
yan, Life Stealer? Ay, pag nagka-ag si Life Stealer, mamamahin niya na yun.
Oo, ngayon wala pa.
Oh, your top tower's under attack. Oh, man!
Tagal ko mabuhay ah. Ngalay ka
Ay,
dyan,
blinkan mo.
LS. Ay, nag-BKB pa oh. Tangingat, kabuling ka niyan.
Back.
Ito, walang BKB yan. Si Raulo na yan. Bobo. Uy, labas.
Tapang nyo naman.
Naka-impes eh.
Tapang nyo
naka-impes
naman.
siya.
Sabi, unahin ako niyang Isben Tagalog na naman.
I go at will. Just so.
Ay, arcane rin par.
Sir, nasa iyo.
Commendable notion.
Back. Op. Kaya ba, sir? Aabot ka ba? Dagger out?
Ay!
Di
Di ko
back na.
nakuha par.
Okay lang. Basta buhay ka. Sir, ayan na. Nag-inbi, sir.
Sino?
Asa iyo?
Di man inbi yan,
Nag-inbi yung
arcane.
Isben, gago. Hindi,
Arcane?
naka-inbi siya.
Wala,
Arcane
wala.
lang ba yun?
Arcane lang din
Baka
ang
umatay
putuan.
ka eh. Hindi, baka Ginlimer Cape siya eh. Alam ko Ginlimer
Nag-Glimmer
Cape siya eh. Oo, nakita ko nag-inbi.
I
Mamatay ka pa dun.
very well. Look out.
So may segue na sila. Oh. Hindi naman makakabasag ng madalian yan. Pero pag naka-item yung Life Stealer, kaya niya nasuntukan yan. Sir.
Ano ba
Mukhang
yan,
mag-ano? Mukhang mag-RS.
Obliga pa mag-Aeon Dispar, imbis sa
I
Octarine.
go at will. Exactly
Ayan na.
so.
Ayan ang sinasabi
Patay
ko.
siya, patay
Putang
siya.
ina mo, nakita ka.
We are in accord.
Back. Tulak mo dyan, AM.
Absolutely.
Rat Dota muna tayo, sir.
Just
Okay, push.
so.
Basag.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
Okay lang. May high grounds tayo. Mataas high
The
grounds
enemy
natin.
top tower got destroyed.
Naku,
Now,
yung
Rick, I
dish yung
gotta
less
tell
rock,
you,
sir.
my bottom tower is looking pretty good. 40, bottom tower under attack. Oh!
Dep ba? Dep, guys.
TP ako. Di man makabasag ata.
Sige. Di makakabasag.
With the vessel.
Bigay na to.
Gusto mo tipihan ko? May BKB ako.
Kaya ba natin? Huwag lalo
Oo.
ni sir eh. Ayan, SS.
The bottom tower.
Okay, chill lang ha. Chill lang konti ba na. Ayaw mag-TP ni AM par eh. Raulo
Okay lang.
to.
Ayan mo na ano naman, naobliga naman yung ano
I
eh.
go at will.
Naobliga yung... Tara.
Ano si AM par?
Gago, patay yata ako. Utang ina. Sana? Saan yung mga
Teka lang,
bida?
hinahanap ako ni ano, Neshrak.
Patay life stealer. Sir, wag na. Patay life stealer pala. Shit.
I
Hindi
proceed.
ako makaka-high grounds eh. May gem ba? Blood Thorn na, sir.
I venture forth.
Hoy, smoke daw. Sure ball ka dyan.
Wag!
Absolutely.
Tara, testing.
Kaya ba? Oh, sige, walang SS.
Na-break ako.
Oh, yeah, your bottom
Kamalasan par.
Okay lang, patay. Tara, laban kayo. Pag-test nyo.
To elude me.
Contest nyo, contest sir, contest.
Sige, sige. Huwag mo na yung ano.
Ibig-ibig ka?
Wala eh.
Under attack.
Baka mamalib ako, tapos ako dyan. Vision.
Oh,
Wala na.
Patayin, huwag na.
slaughtered by the dire.
Wag na, wag na. Okay na yun.
I proceed. They deserve no less. Behold! Silence! We are in accord. Indeed,
Tagal naman ng hugs ni ano. LS.
I go at will.
Naganims na yata siya.
Para may laban-laban siya.
My move.
HG muna sir, patanggalin muna natin.
Okay, di mo naangat yan.
Stay and amuse. I venture
Kailangan ko yata
forth
4 stop.
in pursuit. Very well.
Sir, ayan na, back kayo ah. Tangina, nandyan yun, tatalon yan eh. Ayan na, puta, tumalon na nga.
Back.
Sabi ni, putang ina eh.
Nagawa nun.
So,
Your
Tanga.
top tower's under attack.
Wala naman siyang ano eh,
Oh,
panakas.
your top tower's obliterated.
wala ka
Way to
naman
go.
panakas eh.
Very well.
Bigay ito sir.
Boy,
Sige, bigay lang. Sa
your
third
top
tower.
tower's under attack.
Mm.
Oh, your top tower just took
I
it right
proceed.
in the you know what.
Tulak mo Tokyo po.
My patience, my
Nagawa mo dyan,
prize.
Kyok. Tulak. Nagtipi na.
Commendable no
Okay, segway lang sir. Makakaano rin tayo.
Under attack.
Yung titing.
Indeed,
Back na sir, nandyan na yun. Pipi na.
Hindi ko na ano
I
par.
venture forth.
Hindi ko na orb.
Kaya mo na. Okay, si segway lang naman eh.
We are in accord.
Pa-expirein muna natin, tsaka tayo lumaban.
Okay, may endis pa ako.
I go at
Diyan ata eh.
exactly so.
Kanina ba yung Aegis?
Diyan na. Nasa isbin. Ay, hindi.
Wala.
Nasaan? Ah, nasa ano, necro.
Just so.
Oh,
Baka.
middle tower's under attack.
Oo.
25 lang ako.
Warded to.
Absolutely. Indeed.
Oh, geez, your middle tower's under attack.
We
Oh,
are
man,
Get up,
in
Tigas.
get up
accord
on out of here, because Radiant just fortified their structures.
with alacrity.
Your middle tower's under attack.
Kaya kasi
They
tulak to.
shall regret this.
Great, your middle tower, you can't use that anymore. It's gone.
A welcomed interest. A prize.
Sir, ano?
Exactly so.
Taya lang.
There's cheating going on
Putang
here.
ina mo, nawala ako. Ayup.
Oh, geez, middle tower's under attack.
Agad strength, sir. Wala tayong
Your
patigas.
middle tower what a man took a big
Takit,
crap.
putang ina.
Behold.
Uy, ayun, mag-back. Uy!
Bigay isang rocks.
Whoa, Morty, I've been across the
Ito, dadalaway nila yan.
I
ton of
proceed.
different realities, and let me tell you, this is definitely not a remarkable
I go
moment
at
at all. In
Lock
any way,
ng
shape, or form.
titing par.
Your bottom tower.
Wala kasi siyang BKB eh. Ako lalaban, patay siya dyan, sir.
Dito ka dumaan.
Commendable.
Patay siya. SS. Nice one. Patay siya, nakawit siya.
Okay, patay Sven. Di mabasag to.
Just so.
Ah, tara. Saan ka?
Dito.
Boy ka?
Very well.
Sige,
Subukan
sige,
niyo
patigas
pumasok.
pa. Tara, laban tayo.
Silence.
Pinupo ko lang.
Behold. We are in
Masyado kumitan ah.
Ayun lang, patay
Okay, may
yata
endis ako.
very well.
Bili ka, sir. Bili ka na.
Di mabasag yan. Wala na si Sven Tagalog
Tara
eh.
nga.
I go at will.
Nag-DC.
Mubo kung buhay sana isang koro. Gusto
I
eh.
venture
Tanga eh.
forth.
Parehong tanga eh.
Silence. Exactly so.
Oh, they're back. Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
With alacrity. Absolutely.
Big idiot carry.
My move.
Ang tanga eh, puro tanga eh.
I proceed.
Baka may words dito para.
Just so.
Saan?
Ito sa left, right side. Baka meron. Wala.
Commendable notion.
Wala.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty
Uy,
good. Bottom tower
dito lang sa torre tayo lumaban. AM,
Absolutely.
ginagawa mo.
We are in accord.
Parehong tanga eh. Yung isa walang manta, yung isa walang BKB.
Commendable notion.
Oh, hindi siya nag-BKB, butterfly siya. Yung
Indeed.
magic papatay dyan eh. Tangingat.
Very well.
Man, you might as well save that energy because
Poko lang,
Radiant just
pinapoko lang.
fortified their structures.
Oo nga.
Ba't gilinip? Sira
Dito
ulo
na-
naman para.
Nandito yung ano, nandito yung Sven ha.
Saan?
Nandito lang yan, nag-aabang lang yan.
So.
Patay yata ako.
Rick,
Why,
I gotta
why?
tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. Bottom tower under attack.
Ulta mo, Juan. Ay, kugit. Eh, mamatay sa ano, Halstead.
Ako, putang ina.
Patay, Sven.
3 innocent
Sana
lives.
yung kampi ko.
I proceed.
Ano yung ano, EM?
AM, ginagawa mo.
Ang bobo naman nito, putang ina.
Raging silence.
Mga siyang tango. Is! Patay yan. Nag-buyback, gago. Sir, may ano dito ah. Ay, wala.
Sige.
Walang ano yan, titipi sa kabila yan. Walang God strength yan ha. Back na kaya kayo, sir.
Tama gas strength eh. Ito,
Ay, gago, naipit to.
I venture forth.
Naipit. Ah, sakit. Wala, tumanga siya.
Behold.
Wala, di kaya par.
Indeed.
Bobo
Baka na
eh.
AM, huwag kang papatay.
Raging silence. Commendable note. Behold silence.
Sira ulo ka na
I don't know if you
ata
know
eh.
this, but your bottom barracks are getting attacked.
Here I am.
Tara.
It's not time yet.
Oh man,
Mabigay
Ayun,
mo
sa
the
akin.
bottom barracks were my favorite. Now they're not there anymore. There's no
Beses ka?
bottom barracks anymore. Sorry, player.
Meron ko yan, di mamatay.
My here I am.
Try ko, AM par.
Murdering.
The stout heart knows no fear.
Buhay na si ano par. Teka lang, baka
We
mag-clip.
are in accord.
Morty,
Ayun, nakakait to.
tower. I'm gonna look at it. Middle tower's under attack.
All silence. I'm out.
Abulin mo nga.
Here I am.
Twice the murder.
Aray, aray.
Silence.
Buhay na sila siya.
Dominating.
Di kaya. Bobo pareho yung carry.
Double kill.
Tangan nyo mag-carry pareho.
Ay, kubi.
Not yet.
Tangina nyo.
I go at will. Silence. Very well.
Back. Back lang.
Commendable
pen.
notion.
Kaya pa to.
Thorax lang.
Dieback nga yung Sven. Hex ka kaya, sir?
Exactly so.
Hindi, nag-gags ako.
Aganis ka ba?
Oo.
Sige, carry mo na yan.
Ah, scepter.
Nakaka-dep naman tayo. Bobo kasi walang BKB ang puta.
Silence. My turn. Greetings.
Baba nga ng creep shot nyo. 341 lang yung ano nyo.
We are in accord.
BKB kasi AM. Anak ka ng teteng, oh.
I proceed. Just so. My move. Absolutely.
Aganims ko to, sir.
Oo, masakit na Ganims.
Mamaya,
I go
pagka
at
ano,
will.
pag nag 3K na yung ano, bibili ako.
Just so.
Tatapusin na ata nila, par.
Absolutely.
Ha? Tapusin na.
Oh, geez, your top
Commendable
tower's
motion.
under attack.
Ooh, oh, not good.
Very well. Look out! We are in accord.
Groshan. Groshan
Roshan.
sila.
My move.
Tangi.
Here I am, silence.
Walang BKB.
Exactly so.
Ako yung una kasi.
Indeed.
Sakit
Oh
eh.
man, looks like the tire got to Roshan just a
Uy,
little bit
buti
before
sa ano.
everybody else could.
I proceed.
Sa ano binigay?
I venture forth. Silence.
Wala ka naman bilang, Pip, eh. Nagahan mo akong farm.
Indeed.
Una ako, oh.
Oh, come on. The middle tower's under attack.
I venture forth. Behold! Silence. We are
Ito na
in
sir, nandito na
accord.
sir.
Sige lang.
Greetings.
Try ko yung angat dito.
Putang ina, lahat kayo nandyan.
Absolutely.
Naka-God strength sir.
Radiant just
Kung kaya
fortified
makita,
their
kahit na lang.
structures. You know what I'm talking about?
Pinatigas ko na, mababasag eh.
Kaya tipping
God
na.
strength.
Wala na ang buyback.
Pretty
Sa isa na to,
narcoleptic.
par.
The top tower's under attack.
Alisan nyo muna. Alisan nyo konti.
I go at will.
More death.
No, kasi si
Wala siya,
kinumitan,
sir,
par.
patay.
Very well.
Top tower's falling.
Patay, 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 patay. Patay, patay. Sige sir, laban. May talbog-talbog ako. Ayaw mo silencein. Patay oh.
Ay, mahiks ako, par.
Hindi, buhay ka, buhay ka. Okay, may lason yan. Saan na siya? Patay, tara, 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 tara. Tara, magkakaano ako. Talbog ako.
Di ako mga dagger.
They shall regret
Oh, come on. The middle tower's under attack.
Das.
with alacrity.
Wala, cool.
Sana,
Wala,
naka-dagger, par.
Yan na, ito na lang, ito na lang. Sakto yan, oh.
I proceed. Gather round.
Bobo ka, hindi ka pa nag-back, ha.
I venture forth.
Full ka tuloy.
Pretty, middle
Wala na akong mana, sir.
I'm gonna look at it.
Papalo na lang ako.
Middle tower's under attack.
Bobo, hindi pa nag-back. Nakultol sa muka.
Aganims ako,
I
sir.
proceed. Very well.
Prepare ko kaya.
Absolutely. With alacrity.
Eh, yung dis ako pagtapos.
Look out! I go at will.
Kaya pa to.
Commendable notion. Silence. What's this?
May buyback, magkaka-buyback ako, ah.
We are in accord.
Ulak lang, di natin kaya bumasag pa.
Tulak lang. Isben buhay, ah.
Indeed.
Nangina, pag tinamaan pa naman ako ng clip ni Isben, wasak ako.
Just so. Puck out!
Yan, nakita ng BKB. Putang ina.
Nagka-chance.
Ayop ng 51 minutes. Ayop na yan. Tang ina nyo, naisipan nyo mag-BKB. May buyback ako ah.
Commendable notion.
Buyback ka, sir? Ipon ka
Meron,
buyback.
meron,
May palag
meron.
pa tayo rito.
With alacrity.
May palag tayo dito. Ipon tayo buyback.
Greetings.
Uy, huwag ka lumalim dyan. Wala akong panakas. Life stealer.
I go at
Bak! Tapang mo naman. Ako nga, pak eh. Naka-BKB, Hindi lumalalim dyan.
in
Gem na kaya ako, sir. Gusto mo mawak? So nga,
Wala akong
wala
slot.
na nga hawak ng gem.
Oo, wala akong slot eh.
I'll take that.
Wag na. Ako na lang. Mag-ano ako. Bili-bili
ba't
muna ako kasi
nawawala
baka
eh?
mamatay ako eh.
Ba't pala nawawala to kanina sila, Shrek?
Ewan ko, paano mawala?
Parang nag-i-NB,
I
no?
venture forth.
Wala
May
masyadong-
inbi kalaban eh.
Sino?
Baka sa talent. Yung yung Jakiro.
Absolutely.
Hindi, wala naman siya doon kanina eh. Doon ba siya kanina?
Doon, nandun sila lahat. Kompleto sila sa clash. Ipon buyback yan, sir.
I go at will.
Bak!
Uy! Bak, putang ina mo. Ayan na. Talo na yan. Yee!
Linkin na lang kaya ako.
Ha?
Linkin o
Puro ka na
Repre?
defensive, sir.
Repre ata maganda one eh. Double coil.
Refresher?
Oo.
Oo, refresher ka na lang. Sir, ito na oh. Bakbakan na oh.
Wait lang, ah.
Commendable notion.
Nakakat yung bottom natin eh.
Radiant's courier got
Oo nga,
killed.
sige na.
Sa base na lang
How
tayo
much stuff he was
lumaban.
carrying?
Fight in base bro.
I venture forth.
We can't.
Very well. Indeed.
Yee! Ayan na.
Greetings.
Nansira na to, sir. May SS ako ah.
Destroy.
Hindi ko kamitan ah. Sa bottom pa ako.
Oo.
Just so.
Ayun na,
Uy!
sir. Tumalo na.
Sprint Tagalog par. Nag-BKB ba?
We are in a pool.
Oo, nag-BKB.
I venture
Wala nang
forth.
BKB ba? Meron pa ata eh.
Sakit.
Patay si Necropar.
Patay.
Not right.
To, patayan, sir. Patay.
Very well.
Silence ko apat.
Ayun oh. Sasabog yan, sir. May daso. Boom. Ito pa.
Mag-buy back ah. Wala akong
Sige,
detection.
ubos. Sige.
Oh jeez, middle tower's under attack.
Absolutely.
Ay, bobo. Patay ako. Okay, may buy back ako. Baka nyo nga konti.
Back.
Uy.
Back.
Back.
Gugun yun.
Pag dito sa base, yung babay back ako. Back. Back.
Sige.
Your middle tower's under attack.
Yung creeps oh, paro, binabasag na. Tier 4. Wala akong BKB. Next team fight.
Uy, ito na, sir. Lumaban na. Buyback na, sir.
Oh man, what? Get up on out of here.
Kaya lang, wala akong BKB talaga eh.
Swarming your top barracks right now. You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
Laban, sir. Kaya? Patay.
Ah! Kill ko. Sabog yan.
Sabog yan, sir. Tayuan lahat. Patay, walang buyback, sir. Walang buyback. GG to.
May BKB na ako.
Go at will.
Sabol niya.
Patay na. GG na. Rekta.
Not ready. Stay and amuse me.
Okay, tula ko yung bottom.
Hindi ako magde-dep. Sige.
Di
Sige,
ba
modo
kaya?
bottom ka na lang, sir.
Ako na lang.
Sige na, ako na dito. Oo. May TP naman ako eh.
I proceed. Indeed.
TP ka na lang dito, sir.
Ah.
I venture
Ayun na, may
forth.
TP ako sir ha. Pag sumegway may TP ako.
Piyan ko na nga
I
to.
succeed.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone. Serves them right.
May BKB ata to eh.
Exactly so.
Uy. B!
Indeed. My move.
Asan kayo? Wala ka na yung teteng.
Structures are fortified.
Sorry par, kailangan ma-mega kahit isa.
Oo nga.
They
Mo
took out the
kinuha.
enemy's middle tower.
Regen.
Totes malotes, dog.
Uy, wag mo tapusin!
Absolutely.
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby.
Teka lang, wala akong
I can't
TP1
believe
ha.
it. What a wonderful
Yung
thing.
tier 4 natin.
Bak na.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Kaya ba? Straight?
Wala kasi akong dash eh.
Notion.
Yan, dyan ako.
Oh, middle tower's under
May dash
attack.
ka?
Wala. Sorry lang.
Tangina, mamamatay yata
So
ako.
your middle tower just bit the big one. That force field leak.
Wala tayong dash eh.
Fortified their
Bina kaya sir, ang dami, sakit.
They just killed Radiant's courier. Jeez,
Yung creeps
Radiant's
natin, par.
courier just got killed.
Ay, yung base.
I am under attack.
B! Sir, B kaya.
Let
Patay,
the
par.
world end now. It matters not to me.
Your
GG,
middle
par.
tower under attack. Oh boy, your middle tower just really took a big crap.
Oh boy, somebody
Base
called
natin
trouble.
man.
Patay ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, dapat back tayo eh. Pinilit nyo eh.
Bubo kasi ni pinapalo yung tier 4. That
Wala
mega
lang.
lang. Mega sana Thorax.
Hey dummy,
GG.
your
Panalo dapat tayo doon.
Why?
Bumili ka, Divine sir?
Oo. Paki force.
Tis mine.
Ang ina naman. GG na.
GG talaga, may straight.
Tayo, kaya yan eh. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Dapat back na eh.
Pabak na nga ako nga ni. Bobo niya pinasok-pasok. Pwede naman pumalong tore.
Hey, geez, why don't you start taking things seriously? You know, because your ancient is under attack.
Tayo kayo.
Wala, di kaya ni Amy. Wala BKB si AM par.
Hey, what do you think this is a game? Your
Panalo
ancient's
na
under
eh,
attack.
sayang.
Oo, ang loob. Siraan, tok-tok par. Oh, lakas ang damage oh. Tao.
Kaya naman eh. Wait lang sir. Wait lang ha, maya na, wait lang.
Cans na cans tong par. AM offlane.
Report mo na lang, wala.
MVP sana kung panalo. Top 2. Ilang damage dealt to? Dami kong damage dealt, 80k.
Wait lang sir ha, wait lang ha. Ano ako sir, Kerry? Hello sir.
Ilaw. Na?
Kerry.
Gay.
Cans kasi kayo eh, palagay ng palag eh. Panalo tayo dun.
Saka hindi ako.
Kung bumaklan tayo.
Pinopo ko lang.
Ako lang kasi nagdadas eh. Wala na nga akong das eh. Okay, start mo na lang.
Bobo ni AM, ay ni ano eh. Life stealer eh, dire-diretso eh. Turax lang sana yun. Mid tsaka top.
Sayang. Tangin na dalawa carry natin. Natalo tayo late game.
Wala kang damage si ano eh. AM pa rin, wala siya mapatay eh. Wala siya mapatay si AM.
Ba item niya? Ano
Oh.
tanga eh.
36k damage dealt, mas mataas pa yung damage dealt mo. 38k. Wala siyang mapalo eh.
Dahil kasi tinanggal niya na yung Battle Fury. Nag-MKB na lang siya eh.
Mas mataas pa yung dalawang support na dinamage sa AM.
Kasi
Tangingot.
po tanga. Bigat sir ha, mabigat.
Marunong lang
Oo.
mag-farm.
Bumuo ka pa ng ano, bumuo ka pa ng Divine, anak ka ng Tete.
Hindi, pan-divine talaga yun.
Repre na lang. Okay na yun, repre. Sabi mo na di ba nung una, repre ka?
Namamatay naman eh, pag pinupok eh. Wala, talo talaga. Tangingat na AM to par. 58 minutes, naka-trends pa.
Pakabobo nga. Bobo rin yung life stealer eh. Tanga ang puta.
Bigyan ng chance. Bigyan daw ng chance. Sila ulit kampe. Yung pangalan nun? Smiley.
Mudo sa tanga na yun.
Last pick eh, no? AM. Tangingot. Pumik siya ng matino. Sure win eh.
Panalo yun, oo. Mga centaur.
Lakas ko early. Ano ba standing ko? 10-0 ako early oh. 17 minutes.
Centaur, masarap yung offlane. Kung napanood mo yung laban sir nila Momon tsaka ni Dax, gago matatawa ka sa Ursa. Para kasing tanga, pumik ng Ursa.
Sino?
Si Momon, kalaban, P to the A.
Barak
Puta,
siya.
gulat siya, pag binibling, wasak sila eh. Tapos nagka-clash share. Clash siya. May pit lord sila, puta. Ang pagpipili ang support, Trubik tsaka Mirana. Puta, mas hinabol pa niya yung Miranang hindi naman nasama doon sa pit of mana. Tinakbo, gago. Nagulat ako, tinakbo.
Kas na kas.
Tawa ako. Tapos second game, Juggernaut, sir. Puta, nag-iiyak sa aksa. Puta,
Ba't di ka kasali nun?
hindi. Alis nga kami nun. Tsaka malag ako. Malag yung ano. Nag-iiyak sa aks. Gago, imbis na manta, nag-SNY.
Yeah, 5 seconds left now.
Raptor o CM?
Hello, it's your turn to pick.
Parang mas maganda, sir, CM. Ay, Disruptor.
Rubik sa ano,
Puta,
nakabuan.
offlane. Tang-inang yun. Busit yung hero nila, sir, ah.
10 seconds to pick your hero, you moron.
Raptor, Rubik.
You better pick your hero.
Maganda
5
Rubik,
seconds.
sir.
Ayan,
Nakakaw ka.
CM.
CM.
Raptor na
Parang
lang.
maganda yan. Disruptor.
Dota disable para. Ako lang. Tayo disable.
Gusto mo ba disable? Magbo-void ako. Putang inang yan. Kaso nga, ang daming control eh.
Ikaw, ano ba? Yung may blink, nagbi-blink. Kasi may global tayo eh.
Biblink?
Mapampatay. Oo.
Gusto mo, carry axe.
Oo, again. Sven, Tagalog. Ikaw mag-spend Tagalog, one. Ano, di matala mo yun nun eh. Void?
Ay puta, nag-bench pull. Fucker. Tama na. Kailangan makrono ko dalawa.
Kahit sili na lang palagi. Okay na yun.
Eh, hindi. May swap nga eh.
Sabagay.
Swap eh. Kailangan dalawa makrono ko. Pwede rin support na lang ikokrono ko para bala siya. Yung Lina, madali na kontrolin yan, sir. Makapag-aganims lang ako. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng farm. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng kaluwagan. Aba doon, gago boy, baka kontrolin niyang aba doon eh.
Oxygen-rich atmosphere.
Ayaw ko dyan, wala kang tayong stand pa.
We'll be
Ang
fine
inang
with
yan.
fire.
Kaya nga nag-void na lang ako eh.
Kay stand.
That way. Striker runs.
I do not know what that means.
I ride.
Hindi niya alam.
Ay, gago, ano daw sabi?
Foreigner. Hindi niya daw alam. Ibig sabihin nun.
Cans.
Mike.
Faster. Advance.
Why bara? Ay, why aba?
Ba't kayo nandito par? Ay, ito! Huli
Ay,
ka.
gago to.
The game's about to start.
Istan yan ha.
Storming in.
We have
First blood.
Huli
Sarap.
ko sana eh. Huli ko sana man.
Mamasyal yun. Gagawa ng kape dun.
Nag-obs ata. Nag-sentry.
Nag-off siya.
Why are you there?
Mapak daw.
That way.
Wala nang pasok yata bukas.
Yes.
Tatay, DC siya.
Oh, great. You disconnected.
Tina.
Us hanging.
Calls for blood. Advance.
Mukhang rematch siya.
Remake.
Remake.
Faster.
Wala bang pasok bukas?
Come now. Striker runs.
Resell back.
Go.
Sir, pa-farm lang ako ha. Wag ka pumalag ha. Pwede tayo pumatay. Dito yung ano.
Rolling thunder. Rampant.
Ay.
Fleet of foot.
Ay, gago na dinay.
Faster. I'm under attack.
That's probably better if Disruptor comes down.
Come now. Advance. Yes.
Aray.
Striker runs.
Ay, ba't? Ayaw
Nandito yung lion, nandito yung lion.
Silencer dyan par.
Rampant. That way. Rolling thunder. Go.
Pinapakan niya.
Alin, sir?
Yung small camp natin.
Napakan niya.
Advance.
Ano to? Carry bench?
Yes.
No?
Kaya revenge ata. Yung second mga one. Eclipse go. Sayang.
Fleet of foot.
Ito, si ano.
Ah, di natin papatayin, sir.
Faster.
Popok mo lang.
Para hindi
Wait,
makaspell
tangina
pag
naman.
na second spell mo.
Rolling thunder.
Hindi siya makaskill.
Come now. That way. Striker runs. From Upland Druid I ride. Yes.
Ay, gago, dinaanan niya yung ibong ko.
Go. That way.
Kinokontrol nila. Ang lalim ng creeps ah.
Fleet of foot.
It was not meant.
Striker runs.
Pag kumuha one, patay natin.
Beware the clouds.
Tara.
Second spellan mo lang awan para di ma-spam.
Rolling thunder. Advance.
Ay, gago, sakit.
You go.
Putang ina mo, patay yata ako. Ang sakit, gago. Kaya ba? Nice.
Faster.
Kasi makunat eh.
Rampant. Striker runs. Rolling thunder.
Kaya ba yan, sir?
Oh yeah, your bottom tower's under attack.
Rolls. Method to my madness. Go. Advance. Yes, a gift from the tempest of battle. Fleet of foot.
Ilang.
Faster. Rampant. From upland Druid I ride. Beware the clouds!
Putang ina, naubos yung mana ko ah.
Come now! That way. Go! Glimpse! I'm under attack! Faster! From upland Druid I ride. That way. Rolling thunder.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack.
Come now. I grow in power and craft. Rampant.
Full, sir.
Advance.
Double kill.
Thunder rolls. Immediate result. Attack. Ow! Fleet of foot. Yes. Striker runs. Thunderclap. Go. Oh.
Kapalikin mo nga, sir.
Come now. Beware the clouds. Gates. Striker runs. I forecast your demise. From upland Druid I ride. Yes. Advance. Rolling thunder.
Wala, wala.
That way. The system adapts. Thunderclap. Fleet of foot. Faster. Rampant. Fleet of foot. Faster. I'm under attack! My weathercraft increases! Thunder rolls! That way. Go! Advance!
Oh, come on. The middle
Rolling
tower's
thunder.
under attack.
Thunderclap! Back you go! Yes. Barrier up. Striker runs. Come now. Rampant.
Nakadidi daw yun, sir, ah.
Your sword falters.
Oh, jeez, middle tower's under attack.
Fleet of foot. Yes. Stricken. Advance. Beware the crowds. Come now. Glimpse.
Hindi ko mapapatay ito. Makunat to, sir, eh.
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
Foul creature. I'm not ready. Thunder rolls. Go.
Oh, jeez, your middle tower's under attack.
Ang daming daming stick. Anak ng teteng. Di wala pa akong damage. Okay lang. Okay lang, akin.
Striker runs. Stand aside. That way.
Tae.
More death.
Do, babarag yung cute boy.
Rampant.
Ang ginagawa niya, di ko kaya ito mag-isa.
Great, your middle tower, you can't use that anymore. It's gone. Things are getting dire.
Oh, nice,
Fleet of
Morty.
foot.
Good one.
Come now. Advance. That way. Rampant. Your burden lifted. Go. Striker runs. Rolling thunder. Yes.
Andun pala yung yung sa baba.
Faster.
Wala lina, sir, ah.
A dominant performance.
Rolling thunder. That way. Yes.
Siya, TP. TP ka, sir, baba. Kaya ba?
And this'll give you static. From upland through thy ride. Wow. My heart bleeds. Rampant. Advance. Go. The system adapts. I'm under attack. Fleet
Oh,
of
man,
foot.
what? Get up on out of here, because Radiant just fortified their structures.
What are we supposed to do when the enemy
Come
denies
now.
their middle tower like this?
Striker runs. Faster. Striker runs.
Ano yan, sir, ah? Interview yan, sir, ah. Wag lang ka
Your
maiinis, sir,
middle
wag
tower's under
nagdodota.
attack.
Faster.
Meeting lang. Wag lang maiinis ka mo.
Advance.
Kalmalilong lang.
With all my craft.
Mabigat to, sir. Baog yung kyop.
Fleet of foot.
Shit, mamamatay ko yung ibong ko.
Yes.
Nice one. Buti na lang. B. Sir, nandito.
Rampant. Rolling thunder.
Oh boy, your top tower's under attack.
Sakto. Tangin na mo, ha. Makulit ka, ah.
Static storm. Come now.
Two down.
Nice one. Abnormal.
Striker runs.
Uy, huwag mo na kunin yan. Anak ka ng teteng.
Fleet of foot.
Parang kailangan ko, sir, ng Lincoln tsaka BKB, sir.
That way.
Hindi sapat BKB dito, sir.
Rampant.
No? Tama ba?
Advance. Deja vu. Barrier up. Beware the clouds. I'm under attack. Rolling thunder.
Killing spree.
Lost knowledge is found. Caught you dead to rights. Yes. Striker runs. From upland Druid I ride. Fleet of foot. Come now. So it goes. That way. Go. Rampant.
Uy, gago ka.
Immediate
Utang
result.
ina mo, nandito na pala. Ang sakit, gago.
Your top tower's
Nasa akin na pala
under
lahat.
attack.
Anak ka ng teteng, kaya pala matapang.
Faster.
Gilang,
Oh,
nagfinger na yun, ha.
Top tower's
Apat
getting
dito.
Yes.
Babasagin na. Basag kayo, basag.
hit. Oh
Advance.
jeez, your top tower's as good as
Tay.
done.
Ang ina kasi dalawa disable. Putang
Whoa,
ina ngayon.
careful, Morty. That's some pretty hefty
Kailangan ko
language you're throwing
mag-Lincoln
around.
talaga.
Faster.
Paano ha? Pa dito ha? Pagate, pagate.
Yes.
Man, you might as well save that energy because Radiant just fortified their structures.
Rolling thunder. That way.
Pagate ha? Pagate, sir ha? Pagate ha?
Come now.
Radiant's courier got
Beware
killed.
the
You know all that
clouds.
stuff he was carrying?
Deja vu. Wow. Ecstatic storm.
Wala akong TP, sir. Wala akong TP.
I'm under my ring. The storm also. Yeah, that's silence me or more.
Wala ba kayong earn, sir? Tigas kasi ng burat niyang hayop na yun eh.
Myself think.
Wala akong TP, sir. Wala akong TP.
More death.
Nice.
Double
Ganda
kill
naman nun.
is taken.
Nice
Bottom
one.
tower's under attack.
Back you go.
Nice one. Napabalik, sir.
Oh. Advance.
Oh, the enemy's top tower's fallen.
Go. Rampant. Thunder rolls. Rolling thunder. With gravity. That way.
Ah, the enemy's bottom tower. It's gone. We did it.
Yes. Fleet of foot. A gift from the tempest of battle. Striker runs. Advance.
Time is money.
This'll give you beware the
Morty,
clouds.
middle tower. I'm gonna look at it.
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
Wala ako dyan, sir.
Down.
Layo kasi. Walang titipihan eh.
Limbs. Rampant. Faster. Come now. Did you not see? Fleet of foot. Golden opportunity. Rolling thunder. Back you go.
Quite a spree.
Riding high. Advance. Thunderclap. That way. Faster. Come now. Striker runs.
Illusion.
Go.
Sayang, di nag-stuck.
Yes. Rampant. That way.
Ang farm ah.
Thunder rolls. Come now. Stricken. Fleet of foot. Striker runs. Go. Advance.
Ang sayang, di nag-stuck.
Rolling thunder.
Parang nasa akin ah. Wala pala.
Rampant. Yes. Thunderclap. Glimpse.
Wag yan sir, ang kunat niyan.
I'm under attack. Striker run. Thunder rolls. Fleet of foot. End it. No.
Got a light?
Tay.
A little knife play?
A vicious double sling.
Catacombs.
Pamantal lang ako sir. Kahit laban-laban na ako nito.
Come now.
Konti na lang eh. Tama na ako.
Yes. High pressure system. Advance. Faster. Go.
Tay ka.
Barrier up. Rolling thunder. Rampant. From upland Druid twice struck. Beware the clouds. Faster. Storming in. Rampant. Fleet of foot.
Ulul. Dito na. Tangina. Tinakita ko. Tara, palag tayo sir. Gusto nyo ba? May
Advance.
chrono ako.
Yes.
Andito sa top ha. Nasa top.
Striker runs.
Support sa ko chrono ko ah. Support muna. Wala akong damage pa eh. Or bala na. Kung sinong makukuha.
That way. Rolling thunder. thunder.
Uy, saan sila pupunta?
Beware the clouds. Strike around.
Mamamatay kaya ta, sir. Baka. Kaya.
From upland Druid I ride. Advance.
Tangin, ang daming smoke ah.
Go. Faster. Thunderclap. Ended. Fleet of foot. Come now.
Ano, pwede yan. May chrono ko. Huwag yan, makunat yan eh. Lina tayo, Lina.
Rampant. Faster. Go.
Uy, lumaban siya, sir.
Rampant.
Puta, pinasok ng aba dun.
Fleet of foot.
Uy.
Advance.
Ano ka ng tokwa? Ba't kasi pinasok mo ka agad? Tangin.
Come now. Statics of thunder roll. Yes. From upland Druid I ride. Thunder.
Ito po, oh.
That way. Strike
Yan na lang nga. Sabahan natin, sir. Animal yan ah. Binubugbog ka.
Arms are shake. Come now. Advance. Yes. Beware the clouds. That way. Your sword falters. Fleet of foot.
Basag, sayang ano.
Rampant.
Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about?
Rolling thunder. Striker runs. Faster. Thunder rolls. Go. All is
Shit! Siya, nandito.
rampant.
Tanginang eh.
Rolling
Kasi
thunder.
nagsosolo siya eh.
Thunderclap. Striker runs. Beware the clouds. With a cult craft.
Worthy tribute.
Yes. Faster. Come now. Go. Fleet of foot.
BKB na ako, sir. Konti na lang.
Advance.
Bigay nyo na sa akin yan.
That way. Come now.
Biskadi ako.
Rolling thunder.
Tingnan ko kung tatalab na to sa BKB. Sir, tap. Tap.
Striker runs. Thunder rolls. From upland Druid I ride. Foul creature. Faster.
Ooh, Morty. It's a nice day out there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Patay.
Method to my
Nice
madness.
one. Ang ganda.
Foul deja.
Tara, habol, 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 guys. Habol, guys.
A double
To, sa likod, nasa likod, sir.
Killing spree.
Thunderclap! Rampant! Limbs! That way!
Regeneration.
Dominating. Double
We
kill.
push, we push.
Fleet of foot! Come now! Thunder roll!
Di pa nasama sa chrono yung bench pull.
Immediate
Found the
result!
enemy's
Animal.
bottom tower. It's gone. We did it.
Uy, ano yun? Ba't
Yes.
nagsod?
I'm well practiced in my craft.
Basag, sir. Mamaya na. Walang hero, patay oh. Tagal oh.
That way!
Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about?
From Upland Druid I ride.
Back na nga. Back na. Pabuhay na eh.
Advance! Rampant!
RS daw, sir.
Faster! Force staff! The system adapts! Rolling thunder! Striker run!
Sir, wala akong chrono ha. Ay puta, nagumaga.
This will give you static!
Mega kill.
Come now!
Own it.
Uy, gago! Sinwap!
Yeah. Advance! Rampant!
Kaya pa? Papabalik, sir. Papabalik. Ay, miss low oh.
Rolling thunder!
Ay, nabasag na nga lang tayo. Putang ina.
That way! Yes!
I have TP. I can TP top.
Fleet of foot! Striker runs! I'll ride you down!
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower.
Go.
Ha ha!
No escape!
We push. RS tayo.
Come now!
Wala, may chrono ako pero wala akong BKB ah.
Beware the clouds! That way! Rampant!
Boy, Morty, you know that Roshan guy that
Yes,
just got killed by Dyer? He owed me money.
It's not time yet. Striker runs!
We, ano tayo? Top tayo, top.
Go! Fleet of foot! Faster! Thunder rolls! Stand aside!
Kita ako. Warded.
Tribute to my house. Rolling thunder!
Parang Aganings na lang. Hindi ko kailangan ng Skadi.
Advance!
Papatay naman eh.
That way! Beware the clouds!
We push top, guys. Top na lang.
Go! Rolling thunder! With gratitude.
Walang hiya ka. Inuna mo pa yan.
Time is money.
Yes!
Sayang RS ko.
Rampant!
Top na lang tayo. Top.
Striker runs!
Wala, di tayo makaangat eh.
Faster!
Sakit nung grabe naman to umawa ng ano.
Thunderclap!
Top na lang. Sayang ano ko. Aegis ko.
Fleet of foot! That way. Rolling thunder.
Ibon.
Whoa! They just killed Radiant's courier! Whoa! The enemy's top tower got destroyed!
Tara.
Yes. Fleet of foot.
Lalina, oh.
Fit for a
Come
You know,
now.
Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good.
Whoa, Dyer, you gotta fortify their structures. Good work.
Uy, gago.
Oh, yeah, your bottom tower's under attack. Hey, you might want to kiss your bottom tower goodbye because it's gone.
Acceptable amount of damage.
Lame. You know, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Striker run.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack!
Faster.
Sige, yung Lina nasa ano, top. Kaya mo siya.
From upland through
Your bottom
Naira.
tower's
TP ako,
under
sir.
attack! Man, you might as well save that energy
Striker run.
because Radiant
Eh,
just fortified
pasagin niya
their
yan.
structures.
Your bottom tower is gonzo, baby.
That way.
The enemy's top
Whoa,
barracks
this
just got
isn't good.
riggedy wrecked, son!
Tas mid tayo, mid. Uy, gago. Nagsusod pa siya.
Fleet of foot.
Oh,
Thunderclap.
your bottom tower's under attack!
From upland through Naira.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone! Serves them right!
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby!
Oh, I'm so happy about all this!
Go.
Tara.
Yes. Rampant.
SS yan. Uy. Okay, may Aegis ako.
Faster.
Yeah, I have Aegis.
Rolling thunder.
Unstoppable. Energy.
Come now.
I have Aegis.
Come now.
My rage returns me to the
I have Aegis.
Back you go. Rolling thunder.
Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is
Striker
destroyed.
on.
Hooray!
Such storms
The
are
enemy's bottom
shaken.
barracks are gone.
Rampant.
Let's all say a
Gago,
prayer.
mega katuloy. Tangin,
This
hindi ka
just
nag-dip
in!
eh.
The enemy's bottom barracks are you got mega creeps on your corner, homie!
Yes.
9 seconds, sir. Chrono, ah. May chrono ako, 9 seconds. Wala na ako Aegis.
Start thunder. Roll.
Tayo ka.
Fleet of foot. That way. Yes. Fleet of foot. That way.
worthy tribute.
Faster. Thunderclap. Rampant. Go. Come
Ano,
now.
tapos na boy. Tara na.
Rolling thunder.
Anak ng teteng.
Advance. Striker runs. From upland Druid I ride. That way.
Go, let's go.
Yes.
I claim this prize for the
Uy, gago. Sa akin ah. Putang ina na ito ah.
Oh, jeez, Radiant's courier just got killed.
Faster.
monster kill.
Ang ina mo, makulit ka ah.
Fleet of foot. Rolling thunder.
Tangina mo ha.
Ended! I'm under attack! Is that more
Own it.
rampant? It's not time yet.
Tingnan mo ha.
Advance! Deja vu! Static shock!
Oh, the enemy's middle tower is gone. Surge took out the enemy's middle tower.
Rampant!
Oh man, what? Get up on out of here, because Radiant just fortified their structures.
A gilded death.
They worked as a team, they hustled, they got in
Ay,
there. took care
maya
of
naman
business,
sir, pahinga
they
muna
won.
ako saglit.
Good work,
O,
Dire.
balang ako.
Victory!
Gay, maya ulit.